Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We've just been to Home Bargains, so I'm going to show you what I've got. I've got a tiny haul, to be honest it's not a lot, but thought you'd probably, for everyone who really loves Home Bargains, thought you might be interested to see what I picked up today. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you. Righty-ho, so I picked up these are just, well you can see what they are. These are the pedigree pouches for the dogs. These are the jelly ones, 40 there. Can't remember how much they were, but I'll tell you at the end because I've got the receipt for the whole lot. But I think they were £8.99. I'm sure it was £8.99 for 40. Sorry about the noise. Look, it's the puppies. Look at them playing. There's Mister. He'll wave to you in a minute.
Hiya, good morning.
Oh look, they're playing with one of my old sleep bras. Yes, you are too noisy. Yes, good boy Oscar. Picked up these are new. I haven't smelt these ones in there before. You know, periodically they change their candles, don't they? These are amazing, my most favourite ones. Mango coconut cooler. Oh, they are lovely. First of all you get the hit of the mango, then you sort of get the coconut and oh, you just want to salivate and drink it. This one, that's another new one of theirs, Sun-Kissed Cherry. Oh my word, they're lovely. This one smells like, you know, the glacé cherries that you get, you can put them in drinks, that sort of thing. It smells just like that. Slightly marzipanish, I guess. But if you really like a sweet, fragrant candle, oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, so they're the new ones. I also picked up cornflour, just because I needed some cornflour. And, oh, there's my receipt here, look. And then just to get sort of summer ready, start getting things for the outside, you know, when you eat al fresco. Saw these, I thought they were really, really pretty. So I've got 2 packs of these paper plates. They've got the little hummingbirds on. Just thought they were really, really sweet. So just got 2 packs of those to start us going. And then picked up these, the bowl. It's like a melamine bowl. I thought great for salads. Yeah, there you go. So it's got the same pattern on, it's got the hummingbirds on and everything. That's all I actually got in Home Bargains. And let's have a look. Okay, yeah, so there we go. The pouches were £8.99, the bowl £1.79, plate 79p each, cornflour 40p, £2.99 each for the candles, £18.74 for that lot. So, yeah, lovely. Oh, I can't wait to get these lit, I tell you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.